Hey guys, so I'm gonna unbox this Dlink DIR 850L version B1 router I got of Flipkart. Um, this one is actually a replacement. The one which I got originally had some burning smell in it and was not performing as per the expectations. It had a PPPoE connection speed of only up to 75 to 80 megabits per second, and it had a very strange kind of problem where if two devices are connected to it on the same band, like 5 gigahertz band or 2.4 gigahertz band, the connections, the throughput used to get dropped significantly, even when those devices were sitting less than 1 meter away. So essentially no drop in wireless signal strength, but still it used to get dropped from like 115 megabits per second, which is the maximum speed I got on wireless AC 1x1 433 megahertz speed. So that's another concern, that in 433 megahertz I expect the speed to be at least 250 300 megabits per second, like when I'm accessing a hard drive from another laptop, or I have another Dlink DIR 868L, which gives me up to more than 400 megabits bits per second speed accessing hard drives using Samba or Windows file sharing. So I was getting those kind of speeds in wired gigabit connection through this router, but I was only getting 113, 115 maximum. It was boosting up to around 130, 140 megabits per second. So that was another concern, that in AC 433 I was only getting an average speed of around 115 megabits, which is like actually less than AC 300 router, sorry, AC N300 router, which I can use with any other inexpensive hardware, which will cost me like $50 or $30 or something like that. So this is the router. Oops. So this is the router. I hope this one doesn't have that burning smell, because that one, as soon as I open, yeah, this one has a different smell. No, I think this one also has that kind of some strange burning smell comes out of these routers. I don't know why. The other one, the 868L, what I have, doesn't have those kind of that kind of smell. So this is the router, guys. So this is the version B1. As you can see from here, firmware version 202. I may have to return this also, because I don't know why these routers are having these kind of burning smells. I know the smell of a new hardware or a new electronic device, but this is different. This one has these routers have some strange kind of burning smell. So these carry a adapter of 1.5 ampere 12 volts as against 2 ampere for the version 1. So hopefully version 2 or B1, what they call, has a better power consumption spec, so essentially like lesser power consumption. So hopefully they have not simply changed the power adapter from 2 ampere to 1.5 just to reduce their manufacturing cost, because obviously a 2 ampere adapter will cost more than 1.5 ampere. But hopefully this one has lesser power consumption. But at the same time, I don't understand why these routers have this strange burning smell, although this one has lesser smell than the one which I had earlier. But I need to evaluate the speed, because I was not at all happy with the speed of the earlier router. So this one also has a Ethernet cable, a simple Cat5e cable, which is actually, the length is very less. I don't think it's not even 1 meter. So maybe 2-3 feet or something. Yeah, this is the Ethernet cable. So this is a simple Cat 5e cable, a very small cable which comes with it, and an adapter. So very minimalistic packaging what they have. So I'll evaluate this router. It has the same GUI as 880L or 890L, the top end D-Link, but at the same time it has the same weaknesses. You can't do QoS based on a specific application. The QoS happens based on a host, which is quite absurd, because I need QoS to be happening at application level. I don't mind doing it at host level as well, but application level is quite important for particularly YouTube or any other media streaming or Skype calling or something like that. So it's quite important for a lower speed connection, although in my 100 meg connection I may not require it, but for lower speed connection it's quite important. So I will evaluate it and I will post my update accordingly on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.